World Teachers Day, 5th October. Also known as International Teachers Day, World Teachers Day on October 5th honors teachers and teacher organizations making vital contributions to the education and development of our future leaders. Aim. World Teachers Day aims to focus on appreciating, assessing, and improving the educators of the world, and to provide an opportunity to consider issues related to teachers and teaching. History. On October 5, 1966, UNESCO or ILO held an intergovernmental conference in Paris, France, to expand the status of teachers, and at the end of the conference, UNESCO and ILO representatives signed a recommendation for this conference. For the first time, this recommendation described teachers' rights, responsibilities, and various aspects of the teaching profession worldwide. On October 5, 1994, UNESCO created the first World Teachers Day to focus on teachers' participation and development, and to highlight teachers' issues and priorities regarding education. The date of October 5 was chosen to celebrate Teachers' Day internationally, as it was the anniversary to adopt the 1966 ILO UNESCO recommendation. In adopting this recommendation, governments realized the importance of qualified, competent, and motivated teachers. The recommendation to include teaching and research personnel in higher education was adopted on November 11, 1997 during the 29th session of UNESCO. Observance. Various events are arranged in many countries around the world on or around October 5. These include celebrations to honor teachers in general or those who have made a special contribution to a particular community. The day is marked by conferences emphasizing the importance of teachers and learning, extra training sessions for teachers, recruitment drives for the teaching profession among university students and other suitably qualified professionals, and events to increase the profile of teachers and the role they play in the media. Trade unions or other professional organizations that play an important role in organizing World Teachers' Day events in many countries include the Australian Education Union, the Canadian Teachers Federation, the Elementary Teachers Federation of Ontario, Canada, the All India Secondary Teachers Federation, the Japan Teachers Union, the Teachers Council, New Zealand, the National Union of Teachers, United Kingdom, the National Association of Schoolmasters Union of Women Teachers, United Kingdom, the National Education Association, United States. Moreover, international organizations such as TESOL, Teachers of English to Speakers of Other Languages, and Education International organize international, national, and local events. In some areas, posters are displayed, and pupils and ex-pupils are encouraged to send e-cards or letters of appreciation to teachers who made a special or memorable contribution to their education. To observe World Teachers' Day, the best thing you can do is thank a teacher who made a positive impact on your life. You can also give chocolates, flowers, or personalized gifts to show gratitude to your favorite teacher.